Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Monday, November 15th. Let's check our number corner calendar. Okay, we've had a lot going on with our calendar. We've had a whole cookie that's been cut into different parts. We've had a whole sandwich that's been cut into different parts. And we had some cards over the weekend that we need to figure out what they have on them. Let's find out. A pizza! One whole pizza. What do you think is going to be on this card the day after we have that whole pizza? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's find out. The bear ate the whole pizza. One whole pizza. Oh my goodness. So, if the bear ate the whole pizza, what do you think will happen on today's card? Let me hear your predictions. You can do it. You can do it. Here we go. There's another whole pizza, but it's cut in halves. One half is on this side. One half is on the other side. Remember, those fractions tell us how many parts we're talking about at the time. Let's add that information to our calendar grid. We have a lot of information we've been adding. So for the 15th of November, we have halves that we are looking at. One whole pizza was cut into two halves. Here we go. Halves is what we saw. One whole pizza was cut into two halves. Now, let's go back up to our information. We need to add another day in school. Wow, time is going by so fast. We have more than half of our days in school chart filled in. We have 51 as of Friday. We're adding on another day, so now this makes 52 days that we have been in school together. Fantastic. All right, All-Stars. We've been using this information to help us write in the days of school, and we're going to do that today, but I'm going to add something else to it. So our magic number today is 52. So I'm changing all of our ones to twos to show 52 days in school. Once we do that, we're going to move this information down a bit so we can get to it quickly. Move this over and move these down if we can. If we cannot move them down, I'll just make another number tree because we can do that. So here we go. We have our 52 here, which is amazing. Amazing information. Now what we are going to do is change this to 52. This to 2. We'll add our number tree information to show it's a number tree. And today I wanted to add a different math fact. Are you ready for this? We're trying to make 52. So I am going to take 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is how much? 10, 20, 30, plus 5. plus 5, 35, 40, plus 5, plus 5, 45, 50, plus 2 as a way to make the number 52. And again, we are using all that we know. We know how to count by tens. We know how to count by fives. And we're using that information to help us understand our math more and more. So, dears, I want you to see this great information here. As we continue, we're going to add another hour to our clock. We were at 10 o'clock, so now we are going to add another hour, which makes it now 11 o'clock on our analog clock. And we'll grab the 11 o'clock card for our digital clock. We will change the time on our clock to show 11 o'clock. And we are even going to change the hand on our clock so that it really does show 11. So I'm going to take my little hand and draw it on the clock so it now shows 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Great job, All-Stars. I want to take you through something very, very quickly with our activities. I want to show you this today, All-Stars. 2 quick things. We have been using this to talk about doubles and how we could write our number tree and addition and subtraction equations for doubles. So this time we have 4 dots on the top and 4 dots on the bottom. Let's use that to help us complete our work. So first we're going to have, what is 4 plus 4, class? What is 4 plus 4? Did I hear you say 8? That's why you're my all-star. Fantastic. And then we're going to write what we see on that 10 frame. 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. We have our math facts. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then we also have our subtraction fact, where we take that biggest number, 8, minus 4 equals 4. I want to show this to you now. That's what we had been working on, and that's what we created. Very good, All-Stars. The last thing I want to show you is our hundreds chart. I want you to see that we've been doing a lot with our hundreds chart. We actually just celebrated last week 50 days in school. And if we color in 50 of these squares, do you know we've colored in half of the shape, half of the chart? 50 is half of 100. 50 is half of 100. Have an amazing All-Star day, because you are All-Stars. Bye.